Hi everyone, it's Aga from EurekaCrystalBeads.com and I'm here with another fun tutorial for you. Before I get started, just a quick reminder to check out the rest of our channel, and if you like what you see, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you always know when we're posting new content. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make easy glass markers like wine glass for champagne or stuff when you're hosting a party with the use of these really cool basically earring hooks. Because originally they are made for earrings, and if you don't know them, you're really missing out. They're so versatile and simple to kind of work with. Here I have 25mm ones. These are perfect for the markers and they make really cute small earrings. And basically, if you want to make an earring with this, you just basically open that up like this, pop this part through the piercing hole in your ear, and then you close it behind your ear and you're done. You can hang anything you want on it. So they're really cool for earrings, but you can also make wine glass markers with them, which is really cool. Here I have some examples that I made. You can just put a charm on it, and then it's like really simple. You just open it up, like pop the charm on it, and it's basically ready. But you can also put some beads on them. Here I have just with a little bit of beads. Here I have with some more beads, almost up to the top, and plus a charm. Here I have just some beads, plus a charm, and they all look really cool. So you can like treat your guests and prepare a charm that particularly fits their personality. You can give them each their own color, or a totally different charm depending on what fits them, or they can choose their own charm, or they can even make their own markers during the party depending on how creative your guests are, right? So I'm just going to quickly show you how to make one of these. What you're going to need is obviously these hoops. We have them in silver as well, by the way. You're going to need some jump rings because we want these charms to kind of hang facing the front when they end up on the actual glass. And you want some beads that you want to put on that. This can fit up to 11 O's, so maybe not 15 O's, but 11 O's and 8 O's, and anything bigger than that, that will fit. You can put bicones on it, you can put pearls on it, whatever you want. And you're going to need some pliers to open close your jump rings and to bend this little bit. So basically, in order to put anything on it, you will notice that if you try to put something on, it's not gonna fit, it's not gonna make it through that bend. So you're gonna have to straighten it up a little bit for a second while we put beads on it. And the way you do it is you just hold it with your pliers like this and bend it. Just make sure that you just bend it once and then twice to get it back to the shape, so that you don't bend it too much or too many times, because this may break while it's metal, so you're basically changing its structure when you're bending it. So I'm just gently bending it like this. Although even when you break it, I did break this one. In here, you just bend it in a different place and you can end up with a totally fine earring or glass marker. Anyway, but here I straighten this out. And now I'm going to put some beads on it. It's going to be very minimalistic. So I'm just going to put this lovely sapphire bicone on it as well. And then that's where I'm going to put the charm. So I just need a jump ring. Open it. And I'm using a relatively small jump ring because I don't want it to hang like too far from the hoop. So I'm just putting it on. And in order to make it stay in the same kind of sequence, I put the large beads on both sides of this jump ring here. so that if I put 11 O's in here, this may just go over the 11 O's, the jump ring, and just change its place. But when you put larger beads on the sides, it's gonna stay in between those larger beads. Just one more 11 O. I think it looks kind of nice. Now I'm just gonna bend back this bit here. So I'll just gently, I'll actually hold it a little bit further away from the original bend to make sure that I don't break it. So I don't know if you can see where the original bend is. It's somewhere right there. So I'm gonna go a little bit further from that. And then I'll bend it up by like pushing my finger inside of it. Like that. And it's done. And you can just put it on very easily because it's made from something like memory wire, so it just opens and closes and remembers its shape. You just put it on, lock it behind, and there's your glass marker. And when you're bored, they can also double as earrings, of course. Naturally, all the materials that you've seen in this video can be found at eurekacrystalbeads.com. I hope you enjoyed this quick and easy tutorial. Have a great day, and see you in the next one. Bye!